Now, if you want to get paid $30 to $70 every 5 minutes, you'll love this revolutionary one-of-a-kind method. Check out all of the completed payments here. $15, $22, $34, $47, and $50 every 5 minutes. And you can cash out all of your profits within 24 hours, so the money arrives quickly. The best part about this approach is that it is completely free. You don't need to pay anything to get started. It is available globally and it is quite simple, making it appropriate for beginners and newcomers of any level. So make sure you watch till the end, as I'll teach you a series of steps and precisely how to sign up in 20 seconds for free and utilize a secret trick to earn 25 additional bonus money. This is insane, and after seeing this video, you can begin making $30 to $70 in actual money over and over again. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. I'd like you to visit this website. Before you go ahead and try this out for yourself, let me demonstrate what this is about so that you can end up saving your time, prevent unnecessary mistakes, and actually cash out your profit on this webpage. You can generate income by completing basic tasks and easy online jobs. Now, I'll show you how to sign up in a moment, but first, let me demonstrate to you how to make money on this website. First, you can register for free. This is the webpage, and all users from all nations are welcomed. Even if you are from the United States, the Philippines, Canada, Japan, Nigeria, India, or any other country, you can participate. Now, step 2, once you've registered your account, you can start making money by completing basic tasks like viewing advertisements. I'll teach you exactly how to do this in a minute, so don't skip out any of this tutorial before you continue on to the website. You can also earn money by referring new members to our website, which you can cash out to Skrill, Nettler, Payer, Perfect Money, Bitcoin Wallet, and PayPal. Correct, there are numerous methods for cashing out your money. The best part is that the minimum cash out is only $1, and you may start withdrawing your money and receive it within 24 hours. It is a very quick and simple procedure. As you'll see, the best strategy to earn money on this website is to click on the advertisements and receive 1 cent every click. No need to worry, I understand that you think this is a modest sum of money, but in a moment, I'll show you an additional bonus technique that will enable you to increase your earnings fully on autopilot. When you go into your account, you must be able to see that there are many active individuals from all across the world that are making profit on this platform and cashing out, but they're quite upfront in displaying you all the gains from other individuals. This listing right here refreshes and updates every 15 minutes. Right now, you might be thinking that the income that they're generating is pretty small. For example, $2, $4, and $9 are extremely modest sums of money, but the approach of this website that I'm about to teach you allows you to earn a lot of money every single day since they pile up quickly. Imagine $3, $8, and $15 flowing into your account numerous times each day, rapidly adding up to a massive earning somewhere between $150 and $400 per day. This is what is special about this webpage. They pay you a little money every time, but they pay you a huge amount of money one time. All you must do is click on advertisements, and I'll demonstrate you some special technique to multiply your income. So basically, when you log into your account, you should be able to see that there are a number of different businesses and advertising companies that you can participate in and start clicking to receive money. Now, there are a lot of companies such as Optimal Bucks, Scarlet Clicks, and NeoBucks. So as you can see, there are a lot of advertisement offerings. If you are enjoying the video so far, be sure to give us a thumbs up and like the video. Also, down in the comment section, tell me what country you're from so I can do even more videos on how to make money online that will work for you and your area. Now that you've arrived at their website, gtpplanet.com, you must locate the highest paying companies to join. There are a plethora of them. Some of them are good, while others are, rather ordinary in my experience. If you do this, you should prioritize paid bursts because they offer you a lot more money. It is a legitimate website, and a second company that you should concentrate on is Scarlet Clicks, which has been operating since 2009 and has paid out over $2.6 million to individuals. And I think that this is one of the best prospects for you to concentrate on right now. If you click on this here, you'll be taken to a site in which you can discover various offers to click on and make a lot of money online. This is where they'll display you a picture like this, and there's a lot of little boxes. And for every single box that you press, they're going to open up a new tab, an advertisement, and for every click, you can actually earn money online. As you'll see, each single box you click will open a new advertisement, and every single click will earn you around 1 cent. Make sure not to miss out on this very critical part. For example, if I hit on any of these boxes, it will open up a new tab in your browser. Once you've completed clicking all of these boxes and opened a new tab, they'll reveal a surprise gift for you. For example, once you've completed all of these boxes and opened a new tab, they'll give you several bonus techniques to earn extra money. You can do this as numerous times as you like because each and every offer has a different additional reward at the end. But occasionally, they give me 8, 15, or even more bonus money. This is where a majority of people make lots of money because they're doing it every day and repeat the same thing. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. As an added bonus, I'd like to inform you that you can earn $50 by referring others to this webpage. To do so, go to gptplanet.com and click on the register button. You will be taken to this site in which you can enter your username, password, date of birth, email confirmation, and all of your payment accounts such as Payoneer, Bitcoin, Neteller, Skrill, and so on. So if you want to get paid on PayPal, you can actually sign up for a PayPal account and start receiving your money on PayPal as well. Now that you've completed everything, simply click on the blue register button. Once you've completed the registration, I'll teach you how to acquire more offers on this approach, and then you'll have access to this forum where you may share different articles and get different payment evidence from individuals. You can get various payment proofs from individuals and various support. You can share your links on this webpage, for example, in the Start Introducing Yourself section. There are a huge amount of people from the United States, Canada, the Philippines, and India who are vigorously doing them and actually being paid. They get about 15 to 30 referrals a day, which can give them an additional $30 to $70 in bonus money. As promised, here we are. I'm going to give you an additional bonus hint that will help you earn a lot extra money online at freemouseclicker.com. Now on this website, you may download and install a free tool that allows you to establish automatic settings such as clicking on specific locations once every 1 millisecond right here. You can set the rate and the settings depending on the instruction right here on this page. And then this is where the fun starts. Because you can now configure the auto clicker to click on the same spot, you can set this here. You can set this up numerous times. So while you're watching this, you should certainly check it out so that you can earn money online on autopilot. If you want my suggestion on something simpler for newcomers to generate money, I strongly recommend ClickPay. ClickPayMe.com is an automated application. This is a plug-in system that pays us to click our mouse, and right on the web page, as you can see here, you can get paid $2.50 every 30 seconds and unlimitedly. You can make the same money as you like, and by simply clicking on the web page, the more times you click, the more earnings you can make. Now, if you want to gain access to the #1 money-making method, even though $2.50 may appear to be a small sum of money, It adds up fast and piles up into a huge sum of money, as you'll see here. Once you activate ClickPay, you can start clicking as many as you want. This is fairly easy. The more you click, the more money you will earn. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will always be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!